how to edit or delete MX record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. Now click the Manage button provided in front of the domain whose MX record you want to edit or delete. Suppose you want to edit or delete the MX record of the domain example.com. Then click this Manage button. Click the Edit button of any of the loaded records you want to edit. Now edit the record and click the Save Record button. That's it. The MX record has been updated. To delete a record, click the Delete button and continue. Success! We have deleted the MX record. Now you know how to edit or delete MX record. Thank you for watching.